Verify De Morgan's law. What is the De Morgan's law? There are two laws which are known as, or which are popular as, the De Morgan's law. The first one is A union B whole complement is equals to A complement intersection B complement. It means the union of A and B and their complement, the solution of this thing which we learned in previous lecture, is equals to the complement of A and is equals to the intersection of complement of A and the complement of B. Both sides must be equal. And the second law says just opposite to this one. It says A intersection B whole complement equals to A complement union B complement. This is just opposite to each other. Okay, so let me take the previous example. Okay, let's take another example. If we have U is equals to 1 2 3 up to so on 20, A is equals to 1 2 4 8 10 16 20 and B is equals to 2 6 8 10 14 and 18, right? So what will we do first? We will first let I take the first law, A union B whole complement equals to A complement intersection B complement. I will take firstly the left hand side of this equation, and then I will solve it, and then I will solve this the right hand side, then compare it with the left hand side. If both sides are equal, then I will write it here, hence it's proved. So the left hand side is equals to A union B whole complement. First I have to take A union B to solve the left hand side. What is A? It's 1 2 4 8 10 16 and 20 union B. The set B is 2 6 8 10 14 and 18, right? After taking their union, I will have 1 2 4 6 8 10 14 16 18 and 20, right? Let me move this board a bit upward. Okay, now I have to find A union B whole complement, which is equals to U minus A union B, right? The set U is 1 2 4 1 2 3 4 and up to 20 minus the set A union B is equals to 1 2 4 6 8 10 14 16 then 18 and 20. Okay, now find the same elements. I will cut them 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 4 and 4, then 6 and 6, right? 8, 10 and 14 and 16, 18, 20. So what I will have, I didn't write the whole elements here, that's why it may confuse you. Let me rub this. Okay, let me slightly move this camera here like this. Okay, so here I will write the remaining elements of U. A union B whole complement may be equals to, the remaining elements are 3, 4 is cut there, then 5, 6 cut gaya, then 7, 8 cutted here. You can see over here. Okay, you can see over here. 8 cancel, then 9, 10 cancel, 11 and 12 and 13 here, 14 is cut here, then 15, okay, 16 cut here, then 17, 18 cut here, then 19, right?